Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a lovely Monday morning. Happy new month. It's a new month of August, and today we are looking at what we had on Friday. This was our last analysis of the month of July, and in the month of July, uh, we executed 13 trades in total on gold, following strictly this strategy alone. We executed only 13 trades for the whole month of July. And out of the 13 trades, we managed to win 10 out of the 13 and lost two and closed one at break even. So, uh, our growth rate for the month, our success rate for the month, it's 76%, which is good. Our growth rate for the previous month was around 72, if I'm not wrong. You can go through the previous videos and see. The video I released on the beginning of June. I think we were at around 72% growth rate. So on average, for the 3 months that I've been posting my strategy here, uh, on average you have a success rate of 70% using only this strategy alone and on gold alone. Okay, so that's where we stand as at the end of July 2026, growth rate of 76%. And this month, we hope August will be good to us. And happy hunting to all of you. Okay, so let's see what you had on Friday. On Friday, we were looking for potential buys above this level. The buys were never activated. The high risk buys are above this level here. We never got the high risk buys. For the sales, we are looking for potential sales here, safe sales here. We got this confirmation here. We got this confirmation here. This candle closing below our level with very good bearish momentum. This was our confirmation. You can see the size of the candle, a very long candle, almost no wicks. It almost had no wicks, signifying that the bearish pressure here was enough to take to continue pushing the market down. That's what this candle told me. The bearish pressure here was enough to continue pushing things market down. So once I saw this, I set my sell limit here. My sell limit was at 40.65, but I missed it by a single pip because the high on this candle, it came up to 40.64.60. So I missed this entry by a single pip. I had already set my entry here, so I didn't want to keep chasing down here. So this is where my entry was. Sell limit here, stop loss just here. Why I placed the stop loss here? Because price would easily come and mitigate this structure here, this zone here. So I wanted to be say on the safe side. I didn't want I didn't make sense to have my stop loss all the way here. This would have been a very big risk here. So my stop loss is just above here, above this candle here, these two candles here. That's where I placed it, and I was expecting to take the market down to this level here, down to this. This was my TP1, TP2. So for whoever got this move here, up to TP1, you made some good cash. You made some good cash. This was around 300 and something pips. This was 366 pips. 366 pips on gold with a good lot size. You're making a kill. You're making a kill, my friend. So that was Friday's trade. Whoever got this trade, congratulations to you. That was a win. But I'm not including this in our wins here. If I include this in our wins, that would have been how many wins? That would have been 11 out of 14. Okay, that would have been a success rate of 11 out of 14. That would have been a growth rate of 78.57. Why I'm not including it, because I didn't catch the move. My level here was not retested. I missed it by a single pip. However, it was retested today, but I don't read the Asia. the session. You see the market opened with a very big gap here in the morning. Price came, retested this level, broke below this level again, and closed the gap. Now we are here retesting the level again. But since it's a new day, I don't wanna depend on this analysis. This was Friday's analysis. Today we have to do a fresh new analysis, see where price is at and what to expect. Okay. So real quick, we are going to do jump into the fundamentals, the calendar for this month, the calendar. Look at the calendar for this month, for this week. I mean, and on this week, what you're expecting is do you have anything high impact on gold? Nothing on Monday. On Monday at 5 p.m., we have the ASM manufacturing PMI. That's at 5 p.m. On Tuesday, remember I'm just concentrating on USD because I'm only trading the USD and gold pair. I'm only trading gold, so USD is what counts to me most. For the others that are trading other pairs, yeah, please go through the pair the pairs that you're trading. So on Tuesday we have the USD jobs opening at 5 p.m. That is medium impact. On Wednesday we have 3:15 p.m. USD ADP non-farm employment change. At 5 p.m., we have the ISM on service PMI, also low impact, medium impact. On Thursday, we have unemployment claims at 3:30 p.m. That's medium impact. And on Friday is when we have the big news, the jobs report that will be coming in at 3:30 p.m. This includes the average hourly earnings, the non-farm employment change, the NFP, if you prefer to call it that way, and the unemployment rate will be coming in at 3:30 p.m. on Friday. I'll be there to trade this NFP. I love the volatility of the NFP. This is one of the red folder news that I love to trade. The NFP, the CPI, FOMC, and the PPI. Okay. Uh, so that's all for the USD this week. Unless we get any breaking news regarding the conflict between US and Iran. Over the weekend, a lot has happened. Tweets from Trump, tweets from Iran. Trump saying there is a deal on Hormuz, then Iran saying we don't have a deal yet. So I don't know where we stand as it is. So watch out for any news, breaking news. It's good to be on the know. Don't get trapped on the wrong side of the market due to this fundamentals, so this breaking news. Okay, so real quick now, let me do my top-down analysis on gold. We're going to remove everything, start our analysis afresh. Start our analysis afresh, and we always start on the 1 month and on the monthly. We are looking at our resistance up here. We just identify our level of resistance and support. The resistance is up here. Our support is still on June's low because July didn't manage to sweep the low on June, so we are still on June's low. That is monthly resistance. On weekly, we are focusing on this level here. You're focusing on this doji here. Once price broke below, we've not had any break below here again. So this is the doji we are concentrating on. This is our resistance on the weekly, and on the daily. On the daily, we are looking at this level here. We have this break of structure here. We've not had a break of structure since this one, since price broke below this structure. We've not broken below. We've not broken above. So this is the swing structure on the daily. On the daily, this is our swing structure. And remember, we have this internal structure that price has not broken out of since June. Since June 22nd, we entered this range here. We have not broken below it. Yeah, since June, the whole month of July, we are on the daily. We've just been consolidating. The price has been moving sideways on the daily since June. Since that's the whole month of July actually. So once you get a break above here, If we break above this resistance here, then the next resistance that your price is going to face will be this one here, and price will be attracted to this level here, since we have a lot of liquidity lying above here. So if we break above here, target this level here. Okay, if we break below this level here, then you could be targeting levels below here, like you could be targeting this level here. We have this low here, you could target that low there, target that low there. We have another low here and another one here and another one here. Remember, liquidity is what fuels movement in price. Okay, so these levels are marking here. Those are levels of liquidity. Those are lows, and lows, there's liquidity below those lows. So on the 4 hours, this is what you are looking at on the 4 hours. We had this break here. Since since you got this break here, it was actually a change of character. Price gave us a change of character there. Since we had that break there, we've not had a break above, so that's our level that's our resistance, and we've not had a break below. This is our support. Okay, price has not broken below this support, it has not broken above this resistance. So on 4 hours, this is where we're operating within. So and when it comes to 4 hours, I like to use where the bodies are lying. Okay, I move my resistance to the bodies and identify the wick, that wick there, as a target. That's a target there. That's a target. That's where I would be targeting my price to come to. And here we identify this low, the lowest wick here. This is our target here, the low wick there. So we are done with 4 hours. This is the range you're operating within for on the 4 hour time frame. Jump down to 1 hour. When you come down to 1 hour, our last break of structure, you can see, was here. This was our last break of structure here. There was a break of structure there. Then we had a market shifting here. We had a market shift. We had the market shifting there. We've not had a break above since the shift. So our high, our 1 hour high is there. We've not had a break above, and our 1 hour low is here. We've not had a break below. Okay, that's our 1 hour low there. So this one is not relevant anymore. This one is no longer relevant to us. It has already been broken above and retested here, so we can do away with that one. So now we are down to 30 minutes, and on 30 minutes, down to 30 minutes, down 30 minutes. This was our break. They had a break of structure here, a change of character. Just a minute, let me look at the line. Okay, so we had a break of structure here. Then price came all the way down here. Then we had a small pullback and another break of structure here. So this was the last break of structure we had here. We had that break of structure there. Then we had a market shift there. We had a shift there. Then another break of structure, shift, then a pullback, another break of structure here. Price gave us another break of structure there. Then we had a small pullback here. Then price again gave us another break of structure. That is this morning. It opened with a gap. That's another break of structure there. Opened with a gap there. Since we opened this market today, this morning, with this gap, we've not had a break above. So this is our resistance there. We've not had a break above, and we've not had a break below this level here. This is a low because this is a confirmed low because it broke structure to the upside, bullish structure. So this is a level we are operating within. And once we get to 30 minutes, this is where I like to pick my entries from. This is where I like to pick my entries from, and this is where I'll be taking a buy from. Potential buys above. And for the sales, I'll be looking to take sales below this level here. Potential sales below. So this is the level I'm watching today. Within this level here, between these two white lines, this is my no trade zone. Okay, so these are the levels I'm watching today. Should we get a good break above here, good break with good bullish momentum here, candle closing above this level here with good bullish momentum, then I'll be looking to take this trade from here all the way up to this level here, all the way up to that level there. Or we could push, let's push this one there. So I'll be looking to take this trade all the way up to that level there, this high here. This high, the high here is what's the high here? 124.95, yeah. 124.95. Yep. So that's the level I'll be looking to take a buy to. If I get a buy, I'll push the trade up to that level there. If I get a sell, should we get a sell, I'll be looking to take a sell from that level there. Down to this level here. But along the way, we have these liquidities here. We have this level here. We have this liquidity below that level there. Before you get to this level here, this is a target. That's not yeah. We have this liquidity here before you get to this level here. And on the buy side, we have this liquidity here. There's that liquidity there. And that level there. You can see liquidity above that level there. So these are the levels I'm looking at today. And this is what I'm looking to trade today. Let's see on the 4 hours. My targets, yeah. Target this level here. If we get a break below, if we get a price breaks out of this zone here, I'm targeting this liquidity above here. If it breaks below this level here, I'm targeting the liquidity below here, this one here. Okay, so that's all for today. That's all for today, and those are the levels I'm watching today. Okay, so happy hunting, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for a recap of the same. Remember, this is not financial advice to trade. Forex trading involves a lot of risk. So do your own research before executing any trade. Okay. So happy hunting, guys. I'm out. See you on the next one.